Before applying clay wash, it is important to prepare the surface correctly. If the wall is painted in color, you must first apply a coat of white paint. Once the wall is ready, you can start applying. Add the pigment in the right amount and mix well, making sure it is perfectly integrated with clay wash. If you have a mixer, you can also use it for faster mixing. Apply the first coat by roller to save application time and create an ideal color base to continue the process. The more you load the brush, the wider the strokes should be. It is enough to dip the brush into the paint by 2-3 cm. Do not forget to remove the excess. Apply in X-shaped strokes, spreading the paint evenly to enhance the characteristics of the clay. Wait 6 hours between coats and start the next one on the opposite side to avoid overlapping the stucco effect. Stir the paint from time to time to maintain color consistency. Achieve a highly decorative finish with clay wash.